Hey everybody, thanks for stopping in. My video today, I'm going to talk about chronic pain and how people that don't have it really don't understand it. I think what got me thinking about this was the other night we went out to dinner, my wife and my sister-in-law, and anyway, my wife has chronic pain, my sister-in-law has chronic pain, my brother-in-law has chronic pain, and my other sister-in-law has no chronic pain. And I think she's some kind of a therapist or something, but you know, it kind of bothered me because she was saying, well, you know, she said I'm doing pretty good, but she said, you know, my wife and my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, they need to learn how to quit whining and, you know, just learn to do the things they can manage that make them happy and things like that. But, you know, sometimes there's not much you can do. I've been in chronic pain for so many years with my thoracic outlet syndrome and lower back pain from a couple surgeries I had that I've had times when I could hardly get out of bed. So, you know, it really bothers me when people who have never had chronic pain, they start telling you what you should do. And the thing is too, sometimes you may get out and do something and have fun for, you know, an hour or two, and then it may cause a flare-up like with thoracic outlet syndrome or even lower back pain, and you may be in pain for weeks or even a month after, and you're just miserable. So sometimes, you know, if you're in really bad shape, I mean, is it really even worth going and doing one little thing and then being miserable for all this time after? Sometimes it's not. I've had people who injured their lower back and had lower back pain, and they said, you know, I just had no idea what you go through with lower back pain until I hurt my back. They're like saying, I just could hardly do anything. So same thing, until people have experienced it, they just do not understand it. And the thing with me is, in the last 5 years, I've found things that have helped me a lot, like joint mobility exercises, vacuum cupping, and self-massage, self-myofascial release, those things. And, you know, I do try to explain those things to people, but I do it all myself, and I'm determined and persistent. So, I mean, I can explain stuff to people, but if they really don't want to do it, there's not much I can do. It's kind of like you can lead the horse to water, but you can't make them drink. A lot of the stuff I do, people just look at me if I explain it, and they're like, what? They don't understand what I'm talking about. So when it comes to chronic pain, I rarely talk about it or bring it up to people. I mean, they may ask me about it, but as soon as you start talking, they kind of don't know what you're talking about anyway. So most of the time it seems pointless to even talk about it. That's one reason I kind of like making these videos. Helps me kind of vent and get stuff off my chest. And the people that watch these are probably people who have chronic pain or thoracic outlet syndrome or maybe back problems or whatever pain you may have. And they kind of understand what I'm talking about, so it kind of gives me a way to vent a little bit myself. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.